Okay, hello everyone. Now I'm going to explain this worksheet on this video, same as before. And if you haven't finished it, would you please stop watching this video first and try to do it yourself first. Don't waste the worksheet. Okay. Oh, now and the lattice enthalpy of sodium chloride and magnesium chloride as shown in the table below. Explain in terms of the size. You have to mention the size and the charge of the ions involved. Why the lattice energy of MgF2 is more negative. Now, if it is more negative, which means the ionic bond is stronger. Because when the gaseous ions, they come together to form the ionic compound, they release greater amount of energy, okay, resulting in a more stable ionic compound. So basically, we have to talk about the size. The size, you can say that obviously the Mg2 plus is smaller than the Na plus, okay? The only difference is the cation. And the charge, okay, charge, Mg2 plus, it contains 2 plus, which is higher than the sodium, all right? Which is just 1 plus. So think about if the cation has a greater charge and a smaller size, okay? So Mg2 plus has greater charge and smaller cationic size, okay? This will result what? Higher charge density, okay? So the electrostatic attraction between magnesium ion and fluoride ion will be stronger, or electrostatic attraction, or you can say ionic bond, right? So that's why it gives a more negative lattice enthalpy, okay? Remember to talk about the size and the charge, okay? Size and the charge. And mention the higher charge density, okay? Oh, give the general form alkene. This worksheet is quite easy. It's just for doing revision and let you remember the basic information. So nothing challenging in this. Nothing is challenging in this worksheet. Okay, reacting with hydrogen, structural formula of the organic. Now, alkene, right? Alkene will undergo addition reaction. Remember. So addition reaction means if you have a double bond, and then if you add a molecule into it, each atom from the molecule will bond across the carbon atoms, forming a single product. With the double bond becomes a single bond. So it's saturated, remember? Okay? Before it's unsaturated because there is a double bond. So hydrogen is this one, HH, right? With each hydrogen atom bonded to each carbon. So structural formula, it become ethane, okay? Chlorine as well, chlorine, it become like that, right? If you remember, this will form a diol, okay? Diol. So it will be, okay, ethane 1,2-diol. Bromine water as well. Bromine water, it highlight water. Now this is quite complicated because the bromine is not dissolved in the organic solvent. So one acting on the C will be Br, the other one will be OH if it is water. Normally, if it is bromine in organic solvent, okay, it will be, both of them will be bromine as well. So this one will be Br and another one is OH, okay? This is quite special, remember. Okay, when propene reacts with hydrogen chloride, there are two possible products. A major product, but this is Markovnikov's rule, right? So if you remember, the carbon that is bonded with less hydrogen will be bonded with the halogen atom to form the major product. So the major product will be, okay, with one hydrogen added to this one because it contains more hydrogen, and the other one added to this one because it contains less hydrogen. Now try to remember Markovnikov's rule, okay? Don't don't mess it up. And you should know the reasons behind, because the major product involves the formation of a more stable carbocation. Do you remember? It will involve the formation of this carbocation with two methyl group pushing the electrons towards the central positive carbon, stabilizing the positive charge. And this one will be this one, okay? Minor mechanism, wow, easy, all right? So just study, then you will get all 3 marks. Now remember, put down the partial charges first, and then use the arrows to represent the electron movement. So, as I said, if you are drawing the mechanism of the major product, this carbocation will be formed together with a chloride ion, and the lone pair of these chloride ions will attack this positive carbon, forming this major product. Okay, so this is carbocation intermediate, and if you look at the enthalpy diagram, it corresponds to the minimum point of the enthalpy diagram. Okay. Oh. Okay, propene can be polymerized. Write an equation showing the display formula of the repeat unit. Write a balance equation. So we have propene. Okay, now these are n discrete molecules. They are separated before the polymerization. After that, the double bond will be open. And the M will be here, okay? You have to show all the bond for this one as well, because it's display formula. So try to show all the hydrogen and carbon bonds, okay? Understand? This is polypropene. Associated, you can say it's non-biodegradable. So it will cause even land pollution, or you can say during incineration, it will produce a lot of air pollutants, right? Like the unburned carbon, carbon monoxide, or even carbon dioxide, that can enhance the global warming, right? So you can find all this information from your textbook, okay? And this is IGCSE level actually. Okay, and this one draw, okay, or a combustion, right? So, and you have to find the formation. Then we can free carbon when burned in oxygen, it will form 3CO2, right? Plus this one, when it is burned in oxygen, it will form free water. So it'll be this one. Oh, and then this one will be corresponding to 3 carbon combustion, and this will be, can you see, 3 combustion of hydrogen, okay? And this one will be the combustion of propene, right? So you need 3 oxygen, not 3, more than 3. Okay, so this will be the combustion of propane. Oh, when you look at this enthalpy diagram, you can form an equation to find out the formation of propane. So you will, this one, add some together. Plus combustion of this one will be equal to this one sum together, all right? 3, now remember to pay attention on the coefficient, plus 3 hydrogen. So you will substitute the number into it. Combustion is okay, then you can use the calculator to work out the answer. This one. Okay, so it will be positive 18. Okay, it makes sense because it's not combustion, it's formation. Formation can be positive, right? Let me try again to make sure. You can also try to calculate this. Don't just look at the video. Okay, positive 18. Okay, okay, that's the end of this worksheet. I hope you can record some basic information by doing this worksheet. Okay, see you.